Oh my God. Look at that. Can you see that, son? Can you see how hot it is today? The breeze is warm. I'm sorry, you all. I know you have a snowstorm. The birds are singing. Oh, this is where I take my nap. Look at this, people. I cannot tell you. No shoes. I cannot tell you how peaceful. The warm breeze and the little ocean smell. And that's why I moved here. See that? Year-round views of ocean summer breeze. It's like summer never ended. That's why I can't understand this concept of snow. Right, puppies? They say no, we don't know snow either. We know nothing about it. All we know is it's warm. And I get to even see it from the bedroom view. Look how comfortable and cozy. Look at this, people. Look, I put this over here because you know me. I don't like to mess up my sheets. This is actually a blanket, a cheap $5 blanket from Target. But look at the view. Look at the view. You can lay here and look at that view. And still get the breeze. See the breeze come through the door. You don't really need a fan, because the breeze come right through the door. Oh, people. If only you all knew the peace that surpasses understanding. The peace in the Middle East. Well, the peace in Florida at least. Oh my gosh. My little plants are now, they need some tender loving care. That's why I like plastic ones. You don't have to do anything. But no, this is just where before I start work, I gotta get my little late afternoon peace. Especially when the weather is nice. See, I don't have to go to the beach. I got the beach right outside my door. Okay, there's that property. See that brown building right there? Where it's the pool, right over to the pool is that property. I wish I had the money. I would purchase that. Then my tenants can be right there shoveling me the money over here. And I could have this one all to myself. But God will make a way. Whatever the Lord's will. You got to pray in the Lord's will. Anyway. Just trying to send you all in that cold weather. A little bit of that. A little bit of this. Take it in, my peeps. Imagine the smell of jasmine and sea breeze. And you can look out and see the boats and the paddle boarders and just a peace. People boating, fishing, swimming. No alligators right now. And the sounds, sweet sounds of summer. All year round. Look at my feet. Nobody wears shoes in Florida. Good night or good day, my peeps.